To link Zelle and split a payment, start by ensuring you have the Zelle app installed on your device and that you are enrolled in the service through your bank or credit union. If you are not enrolled, you can download the Zelle app and follow the in-app instructions to complete the enrollment process. Once you are enrolled, open the Zelle app and navigate to the Send Money section. Here you will see the option to split a payment, which allows you to divide a single payment into multiple transactions that can be sent to different recipients. To initiate a split payment, select the split payment option and enter the total amount you want to send. You will then be prompted to add the recipients, which can be individuals or groups. You can add recipients by selecting them from your contacts or by manually entering their email addresses or mobile phone numbers. After adding the recipients, you will be asked to specify the amount each recipient should receive. You can choose to split the payment evenly among the recipients or enter a custom amount for each recipient. Once you have specified the amounts, review the payment details to ensure everything is accurate. This includes the total amount, the recipients, and the amounts each recipient will receive. If everything is correct, confirm the payment and Zelle will initiate the split payment. The payment will be sent to each recipient separately, and they will receive a notification with the payment details. It is essential to note that when splitting a payment, each recipient must be enrolled in Zelle to receive the payment. If a recipient is not enrolled, they will be prompted to enroll in Zelle to receive the payment. Best practices for splitting payments with Zelle include double-checking the recipient information and payment amounts before confirming the payment. This helps prevent errors and ensures that the payment is sent correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily link Zelle and split a payment, making it a convenient and efficient way to divide payments among multiple recipients.